Fascist!
No one get anything.
Just move!
Move or you're getting zapped.
We're allowed to be here just as much as you are. The Charter of Rights, under the Charter of Rights, I am allowed to be here. I'm not just helping, I'm filming. We're allowed to be here. I'm a fascist? You don't even know me. You don't even know me.
Go home, Nazis, go home! Go home, Nazis, go home!
Go home, Nazis, go home! Go home, Nazis, go home!
Hey everyone, this is Leigh reporting for Press for Truth, and Kathleen Wynne's sex ed curriculum, well, it's been scrapped, and it was because of the way it was developed, not because of what is in it. Between 1998 and 2014, students were taught from a curriculum that didn't talk about gender identity, or same-sex relationships, or even online safety. But in 2015, a revamped curriculum was released by the Kathleen Wynne government. It addressed elements like cyber safety, the legalization of same-sex marriage, and protection of LGBT rights. The curriculum also promoted that there are more than two genders, and a false doctrine that gender identity is socially constructed, leaving many parents feeling like the curriculum was not age-appropriate. At the time, about 4,000 parents across Ontario received a link to a survey about Kathleen Wynne's sex ed curriculum, and less than half responded. And it actually came out later that convicted pedophile and former Deputy Education Minister Benjamin Levin had a hand in crafting the sex ed curriculum. Announced last week, Doug Ford said that the older curriculum will remain in effect until the government completes full parental consultations for feedback. Now, the backlash of this change is comparable to a Marxist zombie apocalypse, like the world's ending. I attended a protest in Ottawa which was promoted by the eugenics program Planned Parenthood, who are shockingly against the most recent change to the sex ed curriculum. A few of my friends and I wanted to know why these protesters were so upset and had many questions about their signs. And, well, here's what happened.
And while I get that, I realize...
Stop! What are you here for? You guys are talking.
Get out of here, all of you! Get the fuck out of here, all of you! Get them out! Fascist! Fascist! Fascist!
No one get anything.
Get out!
Look at me.
Get out!
Move or you're getting zapped.
We're allowed to be here just as much as you are. The Charter of Rights, under the Charter of Rights, I am allowed to be here. I'm not just helping, I'm filming. We're allowed to be here. I'm a fascist? You don't even know me. You don't even know me.
Go home, Nazis, go home! Go home, Nazis, go home! Go home, Nazis, go home!
Go home, Nazis, go home! Go home, Nazis, go home! Go home, Nazis, go home!
No, why are you sorry? Don't be sorry. That's why I'm saying hi. Don't be sorry. Just cry, dude. We fucking love you too.
I don't know how to maintain balance in these things.
This brings us to the question of who gets to dictate how a child is raised. Why should the government decide what constitutes human morality? And is it appropriate for the government to intrude within the family nucleus? Studies show that the more power you take away from parents, the more damage you do to children. Let us know what you think about all this in the comments section below, whether you agree or disagree. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to support our efforts further, don't forget to share this video and hit the thumbs up button, or consider becoming a PFT member or a PFT patron. Links are always in the description below. I'll see you next time. This is Leigh, reporting for Press for Truth.
We all want truth. The truth will set you free.